Hello, welcome to part 42 in this Airbnb Clone Ruby on Rails series. And in last video, we created amenities table with icon, name and description. And we set up 4 amenities with dummy data. Now we have to connect those amenities with our properties. So this is a many-to-many relationship. This is similar to wishlist and reviews that we have done earlier. So I'll try to go through that quickly. Let's create that table. Rails G migrate model amenity property PROPERT. I just want to see how the naming will work here. I'm just a bit confused. Rails G model amenity property. Let's name it single and see if Rails will convert it to whether it should be property amenities, property dot amenities. That will be learned later on. We will keep it amenity property amenities. I think that makes more sense. Property amenity, and in that property references, so it REFEREL, it references property, and if it references amenity. So basically a connection between a property table and a amenity table. Let's see how it works. Always check migration. Okay, it has already converted this to property amenities. References property, references amenity, which cannot be null, is a foreign key. That's great. So Rails G DB, what is it, migrate. Now again we have to go through all the models which this particular migration affects. So property amenities, property and amenity. Let's go to all three. Whatever seed data, okay, schema was changed, that's fine. Let's go to our models. Property amenity, user, not user, sorry. Amenity, property amenity and property. And in property and amenity we already have belongs to amenity, belongs to property, similar to our wish list. And in property we will add this has many property, table name is property amenities, right? AMENITs, dependent destroy. Okay, I hope you are clear with why you use dependent destroy, so that if the property gets removed, all its connection with the amenities also get destroyed from this property amenity table. Property amenities dependent destroy. Let's copy this directly, and we want amenities so that we can use property dot amenities. Whenever we are in this model, we can use property dot amenities through property amenities. Source will be amenity, source will be amenity, and dependent destroy. We'll copy this and paste it here. This was the full code. Okay, and in this we want property amenities amenity dot properties. I'm creating this, but I don't think we will use this. I'm creating this just out of habit, but I don't think there will be any case where we want amenity dot properties, like list all the properties which are using this amenity. We don't want that kind of feature, right? Maybe directly not add that. Has many property amenities, that's fine. So now we have to set up the connection. I hope it's clear why I haven't added it. If it's not clear, feel free to comment. and others can help. If not, then I will help. Sorry. Let's go to our seed data, and before adding comment, I'm just a bit irritated about this, because if we will add 30 of this, it might get painful. And especially if I want to add them in a particular order so that we can show them in a particular order easily. Let's try this. Let's try one thing. I'm not sure if this will work fully or not. Let's create an array. Name, kitchen. Wait, let me create dummy data first. Comma, icon, comma, and followed by description. And in icon we can write this path. But all our images will be in this only, right? So we can directly use file name. Let's use file name only. It's not. I'm using extension SVG because in some cases we might have PNG, and that's fine. We want that much flexibility for our case. And in description, we don't have a description for this, so let's get rid of this, and let's write this description. I hope this works. We have set up this data. Now we can iterate through this. Let's write data. So we are getting each row in this data. We are creating an amenity with data name, data description, and finally hash. Yes, data icon. Maybe we could have added unique constraint for this in our database. We don't want same name, right? We could have used this unique true for amenities. Yeah, we could have done something like this. Anyhow, let's do this. I'll drop my entire database. Rails DB drop, Rails DB create. The correct way for doing this would have been doing a migration and all, but I'm doing this a bit quickly. DB reset. before I reset, I'll have to get rid of these amenities to see if this works or not. Where's the issue? Okay, naming or something is the issue. That's fine. Let's fix that too. Instead of amenity 4, use amenity here. Rails db reset. By the way, at any point in my videos, but even if I make a mistake, that's fine. I was thinking that it might happen that I end up dragging this down or behind, and I might not realize that you might not be able to see the content fully. But in that case, I won't be able to edit the video later on, right? Clear. Let's go to our console, Rails C, and amenity dot all, and let's try to add a kitchen amenity. Amenity dot create. It should fail. Okay. Name kitchen. Enter. It worked. Why did it work? Maybe okay, no worries. I'm sure you can figure this out easily. Unique. Yeah, unique true is correct. Maybe the migration was not successful, or maybe I have to do this via migration route only. Let's try this out also. Let's try this. Okay. I will add directly to this, and in seeds we'll create connections also. So we have these properties, we have these amenities. Now what we'll do is we'll go to our properties and we'll do something like reviews only. So 1 to 4, 1 to 4, instead of 4 maybe I can write size of an array in Ruby. Is it length or is it size? Length. A dot length. Okay, got it. So amenity data dot length dot times do, and okay, I want to loop through from at least one amenity to whatever maximum number of amenities we can have, or maybe I should limit it. It becomes confusing at some point. And in that, let's create this mapping, which is property dot amenities add amenity dot sample I hope this works. Exit clear Rails DB drop Rails DB create Rails DB migrate. Let's perform all the migrations. Clear. I'm doing all the migrations because I want to check whether this will work or not, this unique. I don't think it will work. I don't think it will work. I'll check that later on. It's fine. Rails DB reset. We have to load the data and let's see if there are any errors. I'm a bit skeptic about this because what will happen is, let's say that it will run for 5 times, but this is again random, right? So it might happen that ID 4th comes up, amenity 4th comes up, gets added, again amenity 4th comes up, gets added. So I'll have to see. Dot times is not working. No worries. Let's reduce this directly to 4. Oh, sorry. I'll just pause and pick up a call. Meanwhile, this process finishes. Hello, I'm back. It took some time. Okay, where was I? What was the last thing that I did? Okay, we have reset the data, right? And we added these. So let's try to go to Rails. See, first let's check whether the amenities have been added or not. So for that, amenity dot all, and it's working. Great. Exit. Sorry, not exit. And now let's find first property. Property dot first dot amenities. We are able to use these amenities because if you go through our property model, we already have this amenities through property models, sources amenities. So this will return only amenities. Private pool and Wi-Fi was added. Great. Let's see second one. Great. Third, kitchen and private pool. Last, kitchen and Wi-Fi. Okay, essentials was added twice. So we'll have to add unique index. Unique in our migration. Okay, so let's do this migration. First let's exit this. Clear. And Rails C, not Rails C, Rails generate migration, generate a migration, yeah, generate migration, add index to amenity properties. Let's go. Let's copy this directly. First one is the table name, second is the IDs that we want, and third one is the unique, right? So let's go to our model. amenity property amenities. I did write it incorrectly, but it's fine. Property amenities. In that I want property ID and amenity ID to be unique, and we can get rid of this. We don't need this. Rails db migrate. Error occurred. This and all migration cancelled. Why? Could not create unique index. This. Property amenities, or am I using something incorrect? Property ID, amenity ID. Property amenities, property ID, amenity ID, unique true. Rails db drop, Rails db create, Rails db migrate. Okay, I think it failed because we already had essentials connection 2 times, if you remember from our previous Rails console incident. Let's see, Rails db reset. Meanwhile, I'll check the message. It will take some time, another 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, now I'm getting the call. Rails, we have reset, right? So Rails console. Property dot first dot amenity, or instead of first I'll write 1. So that I can quickly change this. Amenities, all are unique, unique 3, and then 4 unique, 5th one is also unique, great, 6th, add amenity dot find 6th. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to add this 4th essential amenity again to property ID 6, and it failed. Details key constraint already exists. So this is working for us now. In next video, what I'll do is I'll prepare this fake data in advance. So, and to save your time, what I'll do is I'll store all these SVG files somewhere so that you can download them and directly paste it in your app asset amenity icons, images amenity icons folder. And then once you copy this and paste it in your seed data, it should work. Because you have understood this, I think it would be waste of time to just spend 30 minutes in doing this. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye.